Irra Karrinthi Kuu. Irra Karrinthi Kuu. Irra Karrinthi Kuu.
Irra Karrinthi Kuu, where our entire school community comes together. A place where we celebrate and collaborate, where we unite and support one another and strengthen the bonds that connect us all. Irra Karrinthi was chosen for its deep meaning and connection to our values. Irra means to rise and stand up, and Karrinthi signifies making room or creating a space. These words paint a powerful picture of a community rising and standing together, making space for one another. These concepts reflect the importance of coming together as a community, creating a space where everyone has a voice and where everyone belongs.